Hello students, welcome back. I am Mrs. Isha Kulkarni and today we are going to discuss about our third topic, that is demand analysis. Okay. So you have already studied the concept of utility in the previous chapter. Okay, and in that we discussed about the features of utility, and one of the most important feature of utility is that utility is the basis of demand. Okay, but utility on its own cannot generate demand for the commodity. So in this chapter we are going to discuss what is exactly the meaning of demand. Okay, so look at this picture. Okay, a boy has a wish to buy a new cycle but doesn't have enough cash. It is a desire, not the demand for cycle. Okay, उसके मन में सिर्फ डिज़ायर आया है, एक इच्छा है उसकी मन में कि उसे साइकिल लेनी है. Okay, and that only desire is not a demand. Okay, then in the second picture, what is, he got cash from his papa and now it converted into wants, not the demand for cycle. Okay, that is also not demand. Then what is demand? So now he go to the cycle shop and ready to pay his cash to shopkeeper. Then it is converted into demand for cycle. So what is meaning of demand? We can say कि desire means an urge to have something, but demand means a desire which is backed by willingness and ability to pay. So uh, demand means ability and willingness to pay for a particular commodity, then it is called as the demand. Okay, so economists they use the term demand to refer to the amount of some goods or service consumers are willing and able to purchase at each price. Okay, demand is based on needs and wants. Demand is also based on ability to pay. Okay, if you can't pay for it, you have no effective demand. And what is price? What a buyer pays for a unit of the specific good or service is called the price, and the total number of units purchased at that price is called the quantity demanded. Okay, so demand is the quantity of consumers who are willing and able to buy products at various prices during a given period. Okay, so here in short I have written here what is demand. So demand is desire plus ability to pay plus willingness to pay, that is the demand, and utility is the basis of demand. Why we demand different commodities? Because that commodity satisfies our want, and want satisfying capacity of a commodity is called as the utility. ओके, सो कोई भी चीज़ हम लेने जाते हैं मार्केट में, हमें ज़रूरत होती है, तो हम क्यों जाते हैं मार्केट में? क्योंकि हमें उस चीज़ की ज़रूरत होती है, एंड दैट्स वाई इट इज़ कॉल्ड एज की यूटिलिटी इज़ द बेसिस ऑफ डिमांड. Then the next feature is that ki demand is a relative concept. Okay, so why it is relative concept? So demand for any commodity implies the consumer's desire to acquire the good, the willingness and ability to pay for it. The demand for a good that the consumer chooses depends on the price of it. Okay, that's why it is the statement कि demand is a relative concept and it is related to price and time, means price and time is necessary for demand. Okay, so demand, it depends upon various factors: the income of the consumer, taste, habits of the consumer. Okay, and demand is always related to price and time. Demand is a relative concept. Demand for a commodity should always have a reference to price and time. Thus economists always mention the amount of demand for a commodity with reference to price and specific time period. So price and time, these things are very important to define demand, otherwise the meaning of demand has no meaning. So okay, so time period means what? Such as per day, per week, per month or per year we can say. Okay, so okay, So after discussing demand, the next there are two important concept, that is individual demand and market demand. Okay, on that we are going to discuss what is individual demand. So demand, individual demand, it is called as the quantity of a commodity demanded by a consumer at a given price during a given period of time. Okay, and here the schedule is given, and that schedule is called as the individual demand schedule. And why it is called as schedule? Because it is a tabular representation showing different quantities of commodities that an individual consumer is prepared to buy at various prices over a given period of time. So यहाँ पे schedule पे आपको दिख रहा है, here price of sugar is given and here is the demand in kg. So when the price increases from rupees 25 to rupees 30, we observe that demand decreases from 10 to 5 kg. It means at a lower price, here lower price is 25 rupee price, 25, and the demand is 10 kg, and when the price increases to 30, the demand decreases. And this is the common consumer behavior. The higher the price of the commodity, lower will be the quantity demanded, and lower the price of the commodity, higher quantity will be demanded. So this is called as the individual demand schedule. And the next concept is market demand schedule. Okay, so first, what do you mean by market demand? Okay, that we are going to discuss. So market demand is total demand for a commodity from all the consumers at a given price during a given period of time. So here also it is schedule is given, and market demand schedule is a tabular representation showing different quantities of commodity which all consumers are prepared to buy at various prices over a given period of time. Okay, and how it is obtained? Horizontal summation of the demand of all consumers. So here look at this schedule, and here also price of sugar is given per kg, then consumer A, consumer B and consumer C. Okay, तीन consumers यहाँ पे लिए है, but in the market there are thousands of consumers, बहुत सारे consumers होते हैं, but for understanding purpose हमने तीन consumers, we assume that there are three consumers in the market. So consumer A, consumer B and consumer C. So that is nothing but the quantity of sugar demanded. Okay, so how we obtain the market demand? हॉरिजॉन्टल समेशन. तो हमें ये ऐड करना है कंज्यूमर ए प्लस कंज्यूमर बी का डिमांड प्लस कंज्यूमर सीज डिमांड. ओके, मीन्स फॉर एग्जांपल फर्स्ट आप देखिए 25 जब प्राइस है शुगर की पर केजी, कंज्यूमर ए विल डिमांड 10 क्वांटिटी, यहाँ पे 11, एंड कंज्यूमर सी विल डिमांड 12. सो 10 प्लस 11 प्लस 12 इक्वल टू 33. तो ऐसा हमें हॉरिजॉन्टल समेशन करके ये मार्केट डिमांड मिल जाता है. सो दिस इज़ नथिंग बट द मार्केट डिमांड शेड्यूल. ओके, सो इस स्लाइड में मैं आपको यही समझाना चाहती हूँ कि डिमांड, व्हाट इज़ मीनिंग बाय डिमांड. सो डिमांड इज़ मच ब्रॉडर कंसेप्ट इन इकोनॉमिक्स एंड इट इज़ नॉट ओनली अ डिज़ायर बट विच इज़ बैक्ड बाय विलिंगनेस एंड एबिलिटी टू पे. ये हमने देखा.